Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another product review. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Milwaukee M-Spector 360 Rotating Inspection Scope Kit, 9mm. That's a lot of words to say. So, what is this? It's something that you kind of use to look around corners, look in tight spaces that you couldn't normally look. It's got a video display there. On the end here is the camera. I've not actually unboxed this, so this is going to be a blind reaction, and I've never used this, so again, kind of a blind reaction myself. So what does it do? It's got a rotating screen, rotates for fluid image control, digital probe, it's got LEDs on the end. In the kit, it looks like it includes the tool, the battery, the M12 charger, and a case. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So there we go, there's the soft case as promised. And inside we've got the battery, the tool, and then the charger, and of course some paperwork and some attachments. I'm not really sure how the attachments work, but we'll look at that in a little bit. So let's see. The battery plugged in. Let's turn that on. There we go. It's just kind of looking inside of the box. You could tell it's got a pretty bright light on it. Okay, so you could turn this on by pushing that button, and then you could set up the intensity, the brightness, by clicking that, and you could turn it down by clicking that. Okay, so that's kind of neat. That's got a pretty long cable to it. I'm not quite sure how long that is. You can see the camera quality isn't too bad. You could rotate it. And that's just the chandelier that we're looking at up there. So it can't do quite a 360 rotation, but it could rotate quite a bit. I could see some definite good uses for this. Let's see. I think that's about it. I don't know if any of you guys out there have more experience with this. Let me know in the comments any extra like tips or tricks or anything about this. Well, I guess let's look at these attachments real quick. So we got a couple of attachments, I think. So I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. This one doesn't really look like a mirror or anything. I'm not really sure what you're supposed to do with that. There's one of them. This one right here, on the other hand, does look like a mirror. So looks a little bit scratched up though. I don't know if it's supposed to be scratched up like that. If there's a film, maybe. Alright, there we go. There's a film on that. There you go. A little mirror. That's kind of cool. But this one, on the other hand, definitely is not a mirror. I'm really not sure what this is supposed to do. And then the third and final attachment. I'm not really sure what you're supposed to do with this either. I'm not even sure if I'm attaching this right. Oh, there we go. So it just kind of clips on there, it looks like. Yeah, so that's kind of like a hook, I guess. So you could use the camera and then hook something on there. Let's say you're trying to get something out of a corner or something. You just hook it. Another thing that I kind of noticed is you can't actually control the bending of this through this here. So it's all just kind of manual. You have to do prior to shoving it down whatever hole you're shoving it down. Let's see what else. Oh, okay, I just realized what this is. This is a magnet. So I guess same kind of concept. If you're trying to get something out from a specific area and it's metal, you could use the magnetic part of that. And then I guess the mirror here is just for seeing around corners. Alright, there's the chandelier again. And as you can see, it's kind of not pointed anywhere near the chandelier, so it's kind of neat. I guess you could rotate this too to get different angles. Alright, well there you have it. The Milwaukee M-Spector 360 rotating inspection scope kit. I'll see you guys next time.